Hey everyone! Welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. I'm Harry.
And I'm Alex. Today feels special
Really? Why?
because today we're talking about something so many English learners feel, but don't always say.
Fear?
Yes, fear of speaking English, fear of mistakes, fear of people laughing.
Yeah, that feeling is very real.
I know that feeling too. Sometimes I understand English, but when I try to speak, my brain just stops.
Haha. Honestly, that happens to many people, even smart learners.
Really?
Of course, listening is one skill. Speaking is another skill, and speaking needs practice, not perfection.
I like that. Practice, not perfection.
Exactly. So today, we'll talk like friends. No pressure, no difficult grammar, just real English for real life. And if you're listening right now, relax. You don't need perfect English to enjoy this episode. Yes, just listen, repeat sometimes, and slowly, your confidence will grow.
Okay, Harry, can I ask something honestly?
Always.
Why do learners feel shy when speaking English?
Good question. I think there are 3 big reasons.
What are they?
First, overthinking.
Oof, yes, that's me.
Before speaking, learners think, is my grammar correct? Is my pronunciation okay? What if I make a mistake?
Exactly. My brain becomes very busy.
And because of that, the mouth becomes quiet.
Wow, that is true.
Second reason, translating.
Ah, yes, thinking in your own language first.
Right. You make the sentence in your language, then translate it into English.
Which takes forever sometimes.
Yes. And during that time, the conversation already moves on.
Painful.
Third reason, fear of judgment. Some people think if I speak wrong English, people will laugh.
Honestly, I used to think that a lot.
But wait, listen to this carefully.
Hmm?
Most people don't care about your small mistakes.
Really?
They care about communication. They just want to understand you.
That actually makes me feel better.
Good. And listeners, remember this. Broken English with confidence is better than perfect English inside your head.
Ooh, that's powerful.
True, though.
Harry, when did you become confident in speaking?
Honestly, not quickly. I made many mistakes.
Like what?
Oh, wow. Many embarrassing moments.
Tell us one.
Okay. One time, I wanted to say, I'm excited. But I said, I'm exciting. And everyone laughed.
Oh no!
But you know what? I never forgot the correct sentence after that.
So mistakes helped you learn.
Exactly.
That's interesting. Many learners think mistakes are bad.
No, mistakes are proof that you are trying. Listeners, please remember that. Yes, if you never speak, you never improve. Harry, can we do a small speaking practice right now? Of course. Okay, listeners, don't just listen silently today. Speak with us. Yes. Even if your voice is low. Even if your pronunciation is not perfect. Ready? Repeat after me. My English does not need to be perfect. Pause
and repeat. I can speak slowly. Again. Mistakes help me learn. Nice. I will practice every day. Great job, everyone. See? Speaking is possible. Harry, I think another problem is speed.
Yes.
People try to speak too fast because they want to sound fluent. Exactly. But fast English is not always clear English. Slow speaking is okay. Really?
Yes, listen to good speakers. Many speak slowly and clearly.
Oh, wow, true. Confidence is not speed. Confidence is comfort. I love that sentence. Let's try a small example. Okay. Imagine someone asks, "How was your day?" Many learners panic and think, "Oh no, long answer."
Yes.
But simple English is enough. Like, it was good. I was busy. I stayed home. I watched a movie. Short sentences. Exactly. That feels easier already. Because speaking is not about difficult words. It's about connection. Harry, can we do a role play? Let's do it. Okay, listeners. Imagine you are at a small shop. I'm the shopkeeper. And I'm the customer. Hello, can I help you? Yes, please. I want some water. Cold water? Yes. Anything else? No, thank you. That's all? Yes. How much is it? $2. Here you go. Thank you. See? Very simple. Exactly. Real-life English is often short. But learners imagine huge grammar books in their head. Yes. Harry, what about phone calls? Many people feel nervous there. Oh, yes. Phone calls are scary for many learners because you cannot see the other person's face. True. But again, simple English works.
Can we practice?
Sure.
Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hi. Is John there?
Sorry, he's busy right now.
Oh, okay. Can he call me later?
Sure.
Thank you.
No problem.
Listeners, notice something important?
What?
Nobody used difficult vocabulary.
Exactly.
Maybe learners make English harder than it really is?
Sometimes, yes.
Harry, I want to ask something personal.
Go ahead.
Have you ever forgotten words while speaking?
Oh, yes, many times.
Even now?
Even now. Wow. Sometimes I forget simple words too.
Then what do you do?
I explain in another way.
Ah, smart.
For example, if I forget the word umbrella, I can say the thing you use when it rains. Ooh. Communication matters more than perfect vocabulary. That removes so much pressure. Good, because pressure blocks speaking.
Listeners, are you too hard on yourself?
That's a good question.
Sometimes we expect perfect English too early.
Exactly. But language learning is slow.
Like going to the gym?
Yes. One day of practice does not change everything.
But daily practice helps.
Absolutely.
Harry, can you give listeners some easy daily habits?
Sure. Let's make it simple.
Nice.
Habit number 1. Talk to yourself in English. Some people may think that's strange. Maybe, but it works. What can they say? Very easy things. I'm making tea. I'm cleaning my room. I'm tired. I need water. Daily life English. Exactly. Okay. Habit number 2. Repeat English sentences aloud. Not silently? No. Your mouth needs practice too. Important point. Listening alone is not enough. Okay. Habit number 3. Think in English for small moments. Instead of translating? Right. That sounds difficult. Start small. Like, look at your phone and think, my phone is on the table.
Oh,
Or, I'm hungry. It's hot today. I need sleep.
very simple thoughts.
Exactly.
Harry, can we do another role play?
Sure.
This time, friends meeting after a long time.
Nice. I'll start. Hey, Harry. Long time no see.
Wow, how are you?
I'm good. Just busy with work.
Same here. Life is crazy sometimes.
True. So, what are you doing these days?
I'm learning English more seriously now.
Really? That's great.
Yeah, I practice every day now.
Nice. Keep going.
Listeners, did you notice?
Notice what?
The conversation was natural and easy.
Yes. Natural English is usually simple English. That sentence deserves applause. Harry, what should learners do when they feel embarrassed? First, breathe. Second, continue speaking,
Even after mistakes?
especially after mistakes.
Wow.
Stopping suddenly hurts confidence more. True. Imagine a child learning to walk.
Okay.
The child falls many times,
Right.
but nobody says, "You fell once. Stop trying forever."
True.
Language learning is similar.
That's comforting.
Good learners are not people who never make mistakes.
Then who are good learners?
People who continue after mistakes. Powerful. Let's do another listener practice.
Yay!
Repeat after me. I can speak English.
Again?
I do not need difficult words.
Nice.
Small progress is still progress.
One more?
I will not fear mistakes.
Great job, everyone.
Alex, should we do the vocabulary section now?
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, listeners, these are useful words for daily English confidence.
And we'll keep them very simple.
Word number 1, confident.
Example. She sounds confident.
Number 2, nervous.
I feel nervous before speaking.
Number 3, practice.
Practice helps me improve.
Number 4, mistake.
Mistakes are normal.
Number 5, fluent.
She speaks fluent English.
Number 6, repeat.
Please repeat that.
Number 7, improve.
My English is improving.
Number 8, relax.
Relax and speak slowly.
Number 9, habit.
Daily speaking is a good habit.
Number 10, comfortable.
I feel comfortable speaking with friends.
Very nice.
Listeners, try using these words today.
Yes, don't just memorize them. Use them.
Harry, can I share something funny?
Of course.
Sometimes I practice English alone, and suddenly someone enters the room. Then I become silent immediately.
Why?
Embarrassment.
Many listeners probably understand that feeling.
Yes.
But honestly, practicing alone is powerful.
True.
Even 10 minutes daily helps.
Consistency matters more than long study hours.
Exactly.
Harry, what about pronunciation?
Ah, yes, another big fear.
Many learners think my accent is bad.
But accents are normal.
Really?
Yes, people around the world speak English differently. Focus on clarity, not perfection. Clarity. If people understand you, that's success. That removes pressure again. Good. Harry, imagine a learner wants to speak English at work. Okay. But they feel scared. Then start with small sentences. Like, good morning. Can you help me? I'll do it today. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Small but useful. Exactly. Confidence grows step by step.
Not in one night.
Listeners, don't compare yourself to advanced speakers,
Very important advice.
because comparison can kill motivation.
Yes. Compare yourself to your old self.
Ooh, nice.
Ask, am I better than last month?
Even small improvement matters.
Absolutely.
Harry, before we finish, can you give listeners one final message?
Okay.
We're listening.
Dear listener, your English journey does not need to look perfect. Some days, you'll speak well. Some days, you'll forget words. Some days, you'll feel confident. Some days, you'll feel shy.
That's normal.
Yes, completely normal. But please, do not quit. Keep speaking. Keep trying. Keep listening. Keep repeating.
Little by little.
Exactly.
This episode felt warm.
I'm happy to hear that.
I think many listeners needed this conversation today.
I hope so.
And listeners, remember something important.
Hmm?
You already know more English than you think.
Wow, yes.
You just need courage to use it.
Beautifully said.
Thank you.
All right, everyone. Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
We really enjoyed this conversation.
If this episode helped you feel more confident, please support the channel.
Yes, like the video, subscribe to 24/7 Talk English, and share this episode with a friend learning English.
And before you go, answer today's question in the comments.
The question is, what makes you nervous when speaking English?
Great question.
Don't worry about mistakes in your comment either.
Exactly. Just try.
We believe in you.
Keep practicing every day.
Keep smiling.
And keep speaking English.
Bye, everyone.
See you in the next episode.